Introducing MultiCam's brand new Celero 5153 high-speed digital cutter with linear knife and router bit changers. This new Celero combines cut speeds up to 6,000 inches per minute with an innovative automatic knife and router changing capabilities. This model is designed to increase productivity, reduce or even eliminate manual tool changes, and drastically reduce waste caused by operator error. With standard features such as a 17 horsepower vacuum, which gives you maximum hold down of your most difficult materials, MultiVision camera system for registration accuracy, and a laser pointer for starting point location and edge detection, you can count on your first cut being your only cut. Incorporating speed, automation, and quality into every system, MultiCam's Celero 5153 HS will allow you to meet your customers' most stringent demands. If your applications include banners, then the speed of which you can cut them on the Celero should immediately attract your attention. Using the Celero's passive roll system, along with the synchronized conveyor, you can maintain the industry's highest accuracy and repeatability, while running at the Celero 5153 HS's top speed of 6,000 inches per minute. This uncompromised performance is 500% faster than comparable systems. These banners finish in only 25 seconds. Whether your applications include exhibit graphics, transportation signage, building wraps, or stadium graphics, you can decrease your cut time by up to 3 to 4 times the amount it would take on other systems. When it is critical to have the accurate depth of cut to handle your kiss cut needs, utilizing the surface probe calibration sensor, which also comes standard, will allow for exact accuracy of your cut. Just click on the substrate in the material library, lower the surface probe to the top of the surface, and cut. Simple, time-saving, and accurate. For all of your new floor graphics, labels, stickers, and other applications, the precise pressure of the Kiss Cut tool will provide the perfect quality cuts. The Celero 5153 incorporates an innovative side-mounted tool and router bit changer. It can accommodate up to 8 tools and 8 router bits at the same time, enabling all of your tool changing to be done automatically. For many applications like packaging, floor graphics, labels, or acrylic, this will dramatically increase productivity. In a perfect world, you would be able to gang up all of your jobs requiring the same tool. But in reality, we know this is just not feasible. So the linear knife tool and router bit change system helps increase your productivity and ensures the proper tool change and initialization procedures are complete. On jobs such as this foam core art application, you can maximize productivity by first using the straight drag tool and then use the versatile V-cut tool to finish the job. The Celero allows you to change tools in seconds instead of minutes. If your operator changes tools 15 times a day, you could add up to 30 minutes of increased capacity to your workflow each day. Sometimes your customer may ask for acrylic with the highest quality edges. This may require starting with a 3/8 inch bit and finishing with a diamond polishing bit. Or, if you are doing some engraving, it also may require 2 different bits for the job. So take a look at how having both bits loaded into the linear tool changer will speed up your productivity while exceeding the quality expectations of your customer. Watch as we first use the engraving bit to engrave the logo. After it is done, the automated linear tool changer then picks up the 3/8 inch bit to finish the job. The same is true for using die bond in a packaging application. It very well may require multiple bits. See again how it uses the LTC to increase the speed in which the job is finished. Also notice how clean the table is. The automated dust boot, along with the vacuum removal system, ensures maximum chip removal. This automation means less time cleaning your table and more time to cut your next job. This is the new Celero 5153 High Speed with side-mounted linear tool change system. It provides the speed, automation, and quality the industry expects from a much more expensive digital finishing system at a price you can afford. For more information on our complete line of Celero digital flatbed cutters, visit us on the web at www.multicam.com or give us a call at 972-929-4070. MultiCam is proud to be made in America using US steel.